In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Evernote notes as a PDF. This is an incredibly handy skill to have, whether you want to share notes with someone who doesn't use Evernote, or you simply want to preserve a snapshot of your information for quick access later on. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's fire up the Evernote desktop app. Make sure you're logged into the account where your notes are stored. Once inside, locate the specific note that you'd like to download as a PDF. Opening this note is your first step in transforming it from a digital note into a PDF file that you can easily save or share. With your note open, you'll notice a small but important feature at the top right corner of your screen. It's the More Actions button, conveniently represented by 3 dots. These 3 dots signify a gateway to additional options, providing more ways to manage your note. Go ahead and click on this button to reveal a list of available actions. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and select the Export as PDF option. This is where the magic happens, enabling you to convert your note into a PDF format. You'll now be taken to a new window that allows you to customize how your final PDF will look. In this next step, you get to tailor your PDF to suit your needs. You can adjust the page settings, including paper size, which can range from standard sizes like A4 or letter to custom dimensions if you need something specific. Consider the orientation too. Whether you prefer portrait or landscape can depend on the content of your note. Changing the margins will help ensure everything fits neatly on the page, and you have the option to choose between color or grayscale, depending on how you want your document to appear. Additionally, you have the choice of adding page numbers. This is particularly useful if your note is long or consists of multiple sections. Page numbers can help keep everything organized and easy to reference. Play around with these settings until you're satisfied with how your PDF will look. Once all the adjustments are to your satisfaction, the final step is to click Export. This action finalizes the conversion of your note into a PDF format and prompts you to save your file onto your computer. Choose a location that's memorable and convenient so you can easily find it when needed. And there you have it, a streamlined process to download your Evernote note as a PDF. With this newly acquired capability, you're one step closer to mastering your digital organization. Be sure to experiment with different customization settings to find what's right for you. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!